Hello everyone, my name is Bhakti Shalika and we have already discussed about moving bed biofilm reactor, its advantages and I have also told you a little about packed or fixed bed bioreactor. Okay, in this video I will tell you about principle behind packed or fixed bed bioreactor, its design concept and monitoring of packed column or packed bed bioreactor. Okay, fixed bed bioreactor is also called as packed bed bioreactor. It is actually a bed of solid particles with biocatalyst on or within the matrix of solid packed in a column constitute a packed bed bioreactor. You can see the diagram. Okay. This is a bed of solid particles. You can see the solid particles with biocatalyst. It is coated with biocatalysts. It may be cell or enzymes. Okay. So the solid used may be porous or non-porous gels, and they may be compressible or rigid in nature. Okay. A nutrient broth flows continuously over the immobilized biocatalyst. Okay. Here we can supply the nutrient broth over the bed of this solid particle or immobilized enzyme or cell particles. Okay, and the product obtained in the packed bed bioreactor are released into the fluid here. Okay, and removed while the flow of the fluid can be upward or downward. Downflow under gravity is preferred. The concentration of the nutrients can be increased by increasing the flow rate of the nutrient broth. Because of the poor mixing, it is rather difficult to control pH of packed bed bioreactors by the addition of acid or alkali. However, these bioreactors are preferred for bioprocessing technology involving product inhibited reactions. Okay, now let's talk about its design concept. Okay, concept for a design and operation. Process parameters that have to be optimized during process development comprise selection of carriers, medium selection, appropriate flow velocity and long-term performance among others. All these information are required to evaluate the overall performance, example, productivity, and to lay out the scale-up strategy. Okay, now let's see about monitoring of packed or packed bed, or you can say fixed bed bioreactor. The performance of a packed bed is highly dependent on the flow of material through it, which in turn is dependent on the packing and how the flow is managed. Electrical tomography may be used to observe the distribution of the liquids at different cross section of the vessel, or indeed the flow pattern throughout the packed column. Depending on the nature of the materials, capacitance or resistance tomography may be used. Okay, so this is all about you can say large scale immobilized cell or enzyme bioreactors. Okay, I hope I made myself clear. Thank you.